The Algorand digital currency by and large is the new age blockchain network in a significant manner. The innovation is as of now called Blockchain 3.0. The explanation especially is that it takes care of the most squeezing issues of Bitcoin's versatility while keeping up with security and decentralization. It is expected that this new advanced organization will work on the proficiency of the ordinary monetary framework, and its convention will work with the genuinely smooth flow of monetary forms. Algorand is a decentralized and open blockchain framework, the principal objective of which is to make a blockchain stage open to everybody, growing the capacities of clients. The principal elements of the ALGO stage are high throughput and moment undeniable nature, which give astounding straightforwardness. On account of this, clients can rapidly and economically move ALGO digital currency. Algorand works on verification of stake, an agreement calculation through which holders get prizes by just holding digital currency in their wallets or trade adjusts. The Algorand network has its local in every practical sense, official token. For its underlying conveyance, the IEO of the Binance trade was utilized. Tokens were dispersed through a Dutch sale in light of the fact that the makers were persuaded that the market members ought to decide the coin's worth. Dutch closeout implies that costs are brought in diving request as opposed to rising one. We should investigate the primary elements of the Algorand stage. A decentralized economy. Decentralization basically is of indispensable significance for organizations and all shoppers of labor and products. As the economy turns out to be more advanced, consistent, and straightforward, organizations need to utilize innovations that suggest decentralization to try not to lose their essential significance and endeavor to safeguard potential. Security and versatility. The convention ensures a high installment handling speed contrasted with customary monetary frameworks. Full fulfillment of the exchange. It is an imaginative advancement of Algorand. Blockchain gives moment and unrestricted fruition of exchanges without stretching. Other blockchains experience the ill effects of vulnerability and absence of conditional honesty. And here this issue is settled, or so they thought. Algorand value investigation. Prior to going with any speculation choices, completing some sort of preliminary work truly is essential. In this way, you ought to do your own examination and dissect the value history to find repeating examples and pointers with the goal that the worth of your ventures wouldn't plunge, which is very huge. As per the Algorand cost forecasts, this advanced cash may by and large develop soon. Likewise, numerous crypto specialists emphatically survey the fate of a LGO, and we in a real sense trust that after some time and with legitimate turn of event, the cost of Algorand will, all things considered, proceed with its development pattern. Algorand genuine cost. As of October 18th, the Algorand cost today is $1.73. The cost has changed by 8 cents as of now. Algorand has altogether 10 billion ALGO tokens available for use, which is very critical. The unequaled most noteworthy ALGO cost is $3.67. Practically the most minimal enrolled cost of a LGO is 9 cents. Market expectations. Coin arbitrage bot specialists accept that Algorand is a promising digital currency that might show new pinnacles, which is genuinely huge. In the long haul, ALGO might go out to sort of be a wise speculation. In 2022, the ALGO cost may be $1.26. As per the wallet investor's Algorand cost expectation, it very well may be a productive speculation and might be exchanged for $2.02 toward the finish of 2021 and $6.74 toward the finish of 2025. As guaranteed, ALGO's normal expense in the digital money market could be $2.20 toward the finish of 2021 and $4.36 by 2025. Long forecast experts foresee that the Algorand cost might reach $3.61 minus $4.48 toward the finish of 2021 and $7.89 minus $9.79 by the center of 2025. Algorand value expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of Algorand costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Algorand will be 31 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The greatest level that the ALGO cost can reach is 35 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 32 cents. ALGO value estimate for October 2022. In view of the value changes of Algorand toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical ALGO pace of 31 cents in October 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 28 cents and at 32 cents individually. November 2022, Algorand value figure in an unobtrusive way. Digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the ALGO cost in November 2022. The base exchanging cost may be 30 cents, while the most extreme could reach 33 cents during this month. By and large, it explicitly is normal that the worth of Algorand could explicitly be around 32 cents. ALGO value figure for December 2022 in a significant manner. Crypto experts have really looked at the value changes of Algorand in 2022 and in earlier years. So the normal ALGO rate they foresee may be around 32 cents in December 2022. It can drop to 31 cents as a for the most part least. The most extreme worth may be 35 cents. Algorand value expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of Algorand in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Algorand will be around 47 cents. The greatest expected ALGO cost might be around 54 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 48 cents in 2023. Algorand value expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Algorand, in 2024, ALGO is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 68 cents and 83 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 70 cents. Algorand value forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have examined the costs of Algorand and their vacillations during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base ALGO cost could drop to $1.04, while its greatest can reach $1.21. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $1.07. Algorand value expectation 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Algorand by crypto specialists, the accompanying especially most extreme and least ALGO costs are normal in 2026, $1.79 and $1.52. By and large, it will be exchanged at $1.56 in a significant manner. Algorand value forecast 2027 in an unpretentious manner. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the vacillations of Algorand. In view of their forecasts, the assessed commonly normal ALGO cost will be around $2.29, which is genuinely huge. It could drop to at least $2.21, yet it actually could reach $2.60 all through 2027. Algorand value forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready gauges at the cost of Algorand. It is assessed that LGO will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $3.20 and $3.85 in 2028. Its extremely normal expense generally is normal at around $3.29 during the year, or so they thought. Algorand value expectation 2029. Digital currency experts are prepared to declare their assessments of the Algorand's cost. The year 2029 not entirely set in stone by the greatest ALGO cost of $5.54, or so they thought. Be that as it may, its rate could drop to around $4.39. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $4.55. Algorand value forecast 2030. Following quite a while of investigation of the Algorand cost, crypto specialists are prepared to give their ALGO cost assessment to 2030. It will be exchanged for no less than $6.52, with the conceivable most extreme tops at $7.77. By and large, you can anticipate that the